Welcome to Let's Make Learning English Easy channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Hi Ria. Hello. Let's meet today. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. I am very tired. I am very tired. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. I am very hungry. I am very hungry. I am starving. I am starving. I am very happy. I am very happy. I am over the moon. I am over the moon. I am very busy. I am very busy. I am swamped. I am swamped. Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry? Why are you so pissed off? Why are you so pissed off?